Hello, how y'all doing? It's time for Flashback Friday. And this time we're going to be looking at part 3 of Budgie Miniatures, the remainder of the series. What you're looking at now is a refuge truck that was issued in 1963. This one is number 24. Get a close look at that. It's got moving parts. That's it. It tilts, but nothing. Well, let's see. No, nothing opens. Take a look at the bottom. Budgie model. And there's the number 24. A refuge truck. Okay, the next one. Next one was issued in 1965. This is the Bedford cattle truck. Looks a lot like the Matchbox one. Same style. Now this one, the tailgate does come down. That's it. There's the bottom. It's a cool little one. That same truck. Cattle truck. Bedford. Alrighty. The next one looks pretty familiar. A diesel road roller. Tell me what you think that looks like. Dead on number 1 Matchbox. This one was issued in 1963. You can see up in there, if you can. I can't see it. Hopefully you can. Budgie model. 26. That does move. That's a cool little truck, though. Or tractor. Whatever you want to call it. All right. Next one. We've got a car this time. We got the fire chief car. And I'm sure it's an Austin. Well, it just says fire chief car on the bottom of it. I don't know what the model of that is, but it looks familiar. This one was issued in 1964. It's got the little sirens on the top. Fire Chief, number 27. All right, the next one is, let me make sure I get the right one. The Racing Service tanker. The BP Racing Service. Let's look at the base on that one. A Budgie model. Tanker series. And they did a tanker series of 6. And they all had a number. They were numbered from 50 to 55. There's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Let's zoom out a little bit. we go. That's a little bit better. So we got the racing service, the Shell and BP, the National, a BP, and a Mobile. Got all the bases covered, don't they? Models 50 through 55. And they all say the same on the bottom. And they've all been restored, except for this one. This is original one. Those are pretty cool. All right. Number 56. Number 56. The Hertz truck. It's a box van. This one was issued in 1966. Truck rental, Hertz. Now we got a GMC truck on this. Now when they issued these numbers, let's see, I think this might roll up. Well, I think it does, I'm not sure. Maybe it does nothing, but just sits there. But it was funny, they issued number 27 and then they jumped up to 50. And I cannot tell you why they did that. If anybody knows, I'd be interested. But that's a cool one. Got a GMC. All right. Let's see, that was 56. Number 57. An REA Express Parcel Delivery Truck. Issued 1966. Now this, it has a sliding door. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And the base. Number 57. All right. Number 58. The modern removal truck. It has a moving tailgate. Modern removals, transportation, and storage. This one is an original. I don't know, I guess you can, I hope you can see that. I have a new phone and I'm not used to this camera. It's a newer version of what I had before, but it just doesn't seem to be as bright from my vantage point. All righty. Number 59, fire engine. That's a sharp one. Fire engine. This one was issued in 1967, getting up toward the end of the run. Number 59. Number 60. We had the fire chief's car. Now we got a squad car. 1967. the squad car is a Rover-matic, Rover 105. So they used this same casting previously. They just put squad car on it. Orange squad car. Gotta love it. Gotta love the 60s. Psychedelic. All right, we got one more. The last one in the miniature series, number 61, an Austin A95. Westminster Countryman Q car, 1967. And it is black. And it's hard to see, isn't it? Number 61, the Q car. I guess that's a guy that worked for James Bond, wasn't it? Q. Reckon he drove one of these. Well, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Tune in tomorrow for a restoration on Saturday. And I'll see you next week with Wayback Wednesday and Flashback Friday. Have a good one.